Royal Green Spicy Mutton. In an oil, add 4 onions plus turmeric powder, plus 2 spoons ginger garlic paste. Add mutton breast. Three chopped tomatoes. Broth again. Two spoons chili powder, 2 spoons garam masala powder. Bunch of coriander leaves. Mint leaves. 1/2 bowl cashew nuts. 1/4 bowl poppy seeds. 1/4 bowl magus/pumpkin seeds. Add in the paste. Stir for 5 minutes until it gets mixed. Add pre-cooked 1 kilogram mutton meat along salt. Mix it thoroughly until meat absorbs the masala.